Hey, Arctic friends. Today we're going to talk about how to do hooked bows. Hooked bows are very similar to the staccato bows that we talked about in our last video, but today we're looking at how to connect those. This is actually really easy. You already know how to do this because all it is stopped bows, and we do stop bows at our scale sometimes. So this is just a way to write it out in music. So you see that we have the staccato dots and we have what looks like it should be a tie, but the staccato dots tell us that it's not a tie because the staccato dots tell us that we are going to have space in between the notes. So even though they look like they should be tied together because they are the same note, the dots tell us that it's not really a tie. And then up here we have these bow directions that confirm that we are going to hook these notes together. It's going to be two different notes, but they're going to be on the same bow direction. So I'm going to play you 4 hook bows. I'm going to go down, down, up, up. It should sound really familiar to you. Here's what it sounds like. By go. Down, down, up, up. That's all it is. And then over here, you'll see that instead of having hooked bow, this is just a half note. Be careful not to fall in the trap of playing a hooked bow here just because you're going along with the pattern. Hold this out for 2 full beats. I'm going to play it along, but I'm going to switch it over to viola, clef, alto clef, and here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. Slow bow, hooked bow, slow bow, hooked bow, slow bow, slow bow. And that's how hooked bows are. The next one in number 175 is a little bit trickier because now we have to do hooked bows, but we hook different rhythms together. So this half note will be hooked to this quarter note, but we have to still hold this half note. Sorry, Kingsley is doing a thing. We have to hold this half note for 2 beats and then put the space for beat 3. Here's what that sounds like. Down, freeze, down, up, freeze, up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you notice how my bow kept going in the direction of the hook. Down, down, up, but I held my half notes for longer, for 2 beats, and my quarter notes only get 1 beat. I'm gonna play it one more time for you with Kingsley looking over my shoulder, checking to make sure I'm playing the right notes, and I'm gonna switch back to treble clef. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Down, down, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3. Hold for the dot. Down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. These don't sound quite as short staccato hook bows did in the last exercise because we have the longer beat here. So don't worry quite as much about making it sound super short as just making sure that there's a good amount of space between the notes so that it doesn't sound like a tie by accident. And that is hook bows. Good luck. Let me know if you have questions. Have fun with the next one, which is Pop Goes the Weasel. Hopefully that'll be fun and exciting for you. And happy practicing.